The Dragon Who Was Afraid of Fire. A short moral story. Draco was a young dragon, but unlike the others, he was terrified of fire. While his friends breathed flames with pride, Draco avoided even the smallest sparks. The other dragons teased him, calling him the cold dragon. One day, their village was threatened by a fierce ice storm. The river froze, and the food supply was trapped under thick ice. The elder dragons tried melting it, but they were too exhausted. Draco watched as his family and friends shivered. He knew he had to help, but fear held him back. Then he remembered something his mother once said: courage isn't the absence of fear, but taking action despite it. Taking a deep breath, Draco summoned all his strength and let out a small flame. It flickered, then grew into a warm, golden blaze. The ice melted, and the village was saved. The other dragons cheered, and Draco realized that his fear had only held him back. From that day on, he practiced his fire skills and became one of the bravest dragons in the village. Moral: courage is not about being fearless, it's about facing your fears and overcoming them. Thank you for watching.